In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a focused Trello board that turns ideas into done. If you're new to Trello or returning to sharpen your system, this walkthrough will show you the exact layout and daily flow I use to keep tasks moving without overwhelm. First, create your board. Click Create, choose Board, and give it a clear name like Brain Dump or Master Task List. Something that tells you this is the home base for everything you're tracking. Assign it to your workspace so it's easy to find alongside your other projects, and set visibility to private if it's just for you, or workspace if you want teammates to see it. Next, add the 5 essential lists. Click Add another list and create Brain Dump, To Do, Priority, Today, and Done. Here's the idea behind each column. Brain Dump is your catch-all. Any thought, idea, or task lands here first. To Do holds items you need to handle, but that aren't urgent yet. Priority is the short, curated list you're focused on this week. Today is for the 1 to 3 highly actionable tasks you intend to finish today. Done is your record of wins. Drag completed cards here to close the loop and keep motivation high. Now, let's use the board. Start by dumping everything into Brain Dump. Don't edit yourself. Don't sort. Just capture. Then, open each card to enrich it. Add details that future you will appreciate, like a short description, a checklist of substeps, a due date, and simple color-coded labels. Keep labels intuitive, so scanning the board is effortless. Move to action by dragging cards from Brain Dump into To Do. From there, promote the most important high-impact items into Priority. Think of Priority as your weekly spotlight. If everything is a priority, nothing is. Each day, choose 1 to 3 cards from Priority and move them into Today. Make them small enough to finish in a single sitting. As you complete a task, drag it to Done. That motion gives you instant feedback, and your Done list becomes a quick progress log you can review anytime. That's the whole system. Capture, clarify, promote, execute, and celebrate. If you found value in today's video, hitting like is a small gesture that helps others discover this, and I'd love to hear from you. Drop a note in the comments with what worked well for you or how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.